Namaste from Vaidyagrama. I am Sanjeev Kumar of Punarnava Ayurveda Trust, a sister concern of Vaidyagrama.
A life without health is like a river without water.
This quote is self-explanatory that health comes foremost in our lives. Today's lifestyle has worked as a fuel for the fire that is burning our body with diseases we could not possibly imagine a century ago. Far from the old era, the food we have to fuel our systems has become a slow poison today. Latest reports from WHO tell that more than 50% of food today has chemicals that are carcinogenic in nature. This causes a serious concern for the industry of agriculture. The pesticides used to enhance the crop growth are known to mutate the human chromosomes, but they are still used widely in large quantities.
At Vaidyagrama Ayurveda, it is our mission to nurture the wellness of our community, and to attain that, we follow the technique of natural farming.
Natural farming is the natural way of farming, or it is a system where the laws of nature are applied to agricultural practices. It is farming with nature and without chemicals, thus conserving biodiversity and nurturing the balance of earth. It decreases soil erosion and makes the soil breathe again. Natural farming enriches the soil with nutrients. It protects us from the harmful chemicals and decreases the chance of lifestyle disorders by not using any slow poisoning pesticides, herbicides, or fertilizers, which with time incorporates into the human body, that is biomagnification. Vaidyagrama's most awaited project is Karshaka Grama, meaning farmer's village. Karshaka Grama follows the laws of natural farming to make our community self-sustainable and healthy, thereby maintaining a pure environment in our premises. The seeds we use for farming are collected locally to ensure the originality. To enhance the quality and quantity of yield, we use natural fertilizers and natural pesticides. Land fertilization is carried out with the method of mulching with cow dung, green leaves, and dry leaves. The sowing of seeds and planting of saplings are done by strictly observing the climatic changes and water availability. Jivamrita, one of the pillars of natural farming, is used as both fertilizer and natural pesticide at the right time for good growth. Jivamrita is a fermented microbial culture which mainly contains cow dung and cow urine. Cultivating polycrops or cultivating many crops at a time not only reduces the chance of loss in farming but also improves the quality of soil. Planting attractive flowering plants like marigold around the field is called as natural fencing. It is a method to reduce attack of harmful insects and to attract farmers-friendly flies like honeybee, butterfly, etc. that help pollination and thereby increase yield.
Natural farming cannot happen without the help of Indian indigenous cattle breed, which comes under the variety Bos indicas. This type of cattle have a capacity to absorb solar energy through their Surya Nadi, which is located in their hump. Because of this peculiar character, they can cleanse their own body, thereby the quality of products like cow dung, cow urine and milk and its derivatives will be enhanced.
Vaidigrama has a dedicated Indian indigenous cattle farm named Lakshmi Grama, where we serve more than 35 cattle including bulls. They are the base of our natural farming. Cow urine and cow dung contains numerous numbers of microbes. So, their fertilizing products helps plants to get nutrients easily and enriches the soil. Other products that we make and use are cow dung cake, varieties of doop sticks, vibhuti, etc. Cow dung cakes are used in Agnihotra, a simple ritual that cleanses the environment powerfully. Doop sticks are used for fumigation, which is a part of infection control. Vibhuti or the ash is not only a part of rituals, but it builds the body's resistance power. We have no doubt that the most important product from cow is the milk itself. Indian indigenous cattle breeds give A2 milk that is very similar to mother's milk because it has proline, which is an amino acid. This A2 milk enhances immunity and rejuvenates the cells.
Bulls of Indian breed are also essential for farming because they are long working animals.
For us to be healthy, we have to go back to nature. We have to cultivate contentment with what we have. We really do not need much. When you realize and knows this, the mind settles down.
Let us cultivate generosity, feel the delight in giving, learn to live happy and light. This way we can begin to transform what is negative into positive. This is how we start to grow up and be well. Vaidigrama is with you in this journey to well-being. Thank you. Sarve bhavantu sukhina, sarve santu niramaya.